As a result, the iPhone 15 series is coming very soon with Dynamic Island, a titanium frame, a 17 bionic silicon, an action button, and a reduced top side and chain. Bo and LG are having a lot of problems creating such H2H panels set to a dynamic island on top now that neighboring SLS displays something that has never been done before surprisingly. While it may not seem or appear to be a good idea, Samsung is going to save Apple this time, and they are prepared to provide the iPhone 15 series screens. The camera sensors are provided by Sony, and LG No Tag is providing the periscope folding lens camera, thus it is clear how these brands collaborate to provide the greatest flagship on Earth. Despite all of these manufacturing problems, the iPhone 15 launch is expected to go place on September 13th if orders are still being taken 2 days later. With Type-C port slide rapid charging Dynamic Island and enormous batteries, all 4 models are coming out within the next month. The battery capacity for the iPhone 15 will be 3,877 mAh, 4,912 mAh for the 15 Plus, and 3,650 mAh and 4,852 mAh for the 15 Pro and Pro Max, respectively. So, certainly, you may have noticed in the battery test how long the iPhone 14 Pro Max can survive. Soon a shocker in the battery test, the 15 series will spotlight Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus. Some news is coming up, including the price of the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, which will start at $799 and $899 respectively, and the price of the Pro Max, which will start at $1,299. This is like the greatest price increase I've ever seen. Other news includes the pricing of the 6x periscope camera or the A17 Bionic, which, according to leaks, will be powerful and power efficient. The mute slider is being replaced this year with a clickable button that is not simply a new trigger, so once again, people who purchased the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max would need to learn how to use the action button, which is fine and offers something new to experiment with. Finally, according to reports coming out of Korea, Apple is requesting manufacturers like Samsung and LG to create bezel-free OLED iPhone screens. According to certain speculations, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may include such a design. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.